And so I have marked some classwork here. 嗱，其實咧，我輯錄咗出嚟嗰啲 classwork 咧，喺 Math App 裏邊嗰啲 classwork 咧，正正就係即係喺 DSE 咧，即係會出嗰啲嘅題型嚟嘅，得唔得？雖然咧佢唔會喺 long fact 嗰度出，從來未試過喺 long fact 嗰度出嘅。咁通常就喺 MC 嗰度出嘅。但係裏邊要即係我而家呢度咧，譬如 instant drill 呢啲嘅話咧，我哋要考慮嘅嘢咧，基本上就係嗰啲嘢嚟㗎啦。OK， 即係 DSE 會問嗰啲嘢嚟㗎啦，咁樣樣。OK， 我琴日係咪講咗第一題咋？淨係即係呢題啦，呢題應該未講嘅。OK， 好嗱，我講多幾題啊。instant drill number 7。The figure shows the graphs of the exponential functions y equals a to the power x, b to the power x, and 1.5 to the power x, where a and b are constants. The graph of y equals b to the power x is the image of the graph of y equals a to the power x when reflected in the y-axis. Suggest a pair of possible values of a and b. 好啦，嗱，呢度第一樣嘢 ，a 同埋 b 呢兩個未知數咧。佢哋 form 出嚟嘅 exponential function 嘅 graph 咧，就話係即係 y 軸係對稱軸，即係左右對稱嘅，並且係個 y-axis 咧就係個 axis of symmetry 嘅。OK， 咁即係話咧，我哋第一樣嘢我哋知道咧，應該係 b is equal to 1 over a。OK，b is equal to 1 over a。得唔得？因為咧，記唔記得嗱？呢個要記啊。其實咧，即係講真啦。有呢關於啲 graph 嘅 features 咧，我哋記咗佢先，得唔得？你真係要明裏邊點解嘅話咧，其實就會比較難啲嘅。OK， 呢一個位有冇問題？係因為呢一句説話，因為 the graph of y equals b to the power x is the image of graph of y equals a to the power x when reflected in the y-axis。OK， 左右對稱，咁嘅時候咧，我哋就可以知道咧，佢哋兩個 graph 嘅 base number， 一個就係另一個嘅 reciprocal， 得唔得 ？OK，B is equal to 1 over A， 或者係 A is equal to 1 over B， 都得，一樣嘅啫。好啦，跟住咧，但係有一樣嘢我哋要知道啦，就係咧，呢個 A to the power x 呢個 graph 咧，係咪 always going upwards 㗎 ？It is increasing。Which means that the a should be larger than 1. And then the graph of b to the power x is decreasing. So the base number b should be between 0 and 1. OK？ 如果你記得嘅話咧，呢一個 summary table， 係嘛 ？OK， 咁呢一個咧係咪睇唔到啊？其實？ A to the power x 就係當個 base number 係大過1嘅話咧，就會係 going upwards。個 base number 係 between 0 and 1嘅話咧，個 graph 就係 going downwards。OK， 所以呢度咧，你見到 y to the power a to the power x，y equals a to the power x， 個 graph 就always going upwards 嘅話咧，咁即係我哋知道咧 a should be larger than 1 belongs to the first case。And then the graph of b to the power x is going downward。Which means that the b should be between 0 and 1. You can get this information. 得唔得？好啦，跟住呢一個 graph 上邊，除咗有 a 嘅 x 次方呢個 graph 呢條線啦，同埋 b 嘅 x 次方呢條線之外咧，其實仲有一條線俾咗你做參考嘅喎，就係咧1.5嘅 x 次方呢條線。好啦，呢一個咧，我哋點樣用佢咧？嗱，有啲同學咧，可能如果出面教啊，或者其他老師教嘅話咧，可能會即係叫你背一背嘅，即係高過佢又點樣樣，低過佢又點樣樣。OK， 咁我會教大家諗一樣嘢。OK， 就係咧，我哋喺個 graph 嗰度，嗱呢度係0啦，係嘛？即係 x 等於0啦。咁我哋試下揾個位大約嘅啫 ，x 等於1嗰度，我哋篤上去。OK。即係咧，we just locate the point x equals 1, and then we just draw an arrow going upwards to meet the graphs. This graph, and then this graph. Sorry. This graph. Okay. When x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, when it is pointed to the yellow graph, the height of the function, so that is the y value of the function, will be 1.5 to the power 1. Can you get this? Which means that the height of this point should be equal to 1.5. Okay, so that is like this. Going to the left. Going to the left, this height should be equal to 1.5 because it is obtained. It is obtained by putting x equals 1 into this function. OK， 當 x 等於1嘅時候，係嘛？喺呢個 graph 我哋揾到呢一點咧，就係佢嘅 y 嘅數值咧，就係咁樣計出嚟㗎啦，就係1.5嘅1次方。呢點嘅高度就係1點。好啦，咁如果佢哋藍色個點嘅話咧，係咪應該都係我同樣都係喺1嗰度篤上去個 graph 嗰度，會篤到綠色呢個 graph 嘅話咧，嗰點嘅數值應該係咩咧？嗰點嘅 function value 嗱，嗰個綠色個 curve 就係 a to the power x 嚟嘅。咁而家咧，我哋篤到佢嘅話咧 ，when x 等於1嘅時候咧，係咪應該係 a to the power 1啊 ？a to the power 1。咁即係話呢度呢一點喺呢個 curve 上面嘅呢點嘅高度係咪應該就係 a to the power 1？OK， 即係 a 啦。跟住咧，我哋知道啦 ，from the graph，the a should be located higher than 1.5. Okay, higher than 1.5, which means that the value of a should be larger than 1.5. Okay, so a should be larger than 1.5. Okay, because from the graph, the point A is located higher than the point 1.5. Can you get this idea? 好啦，咁跟住我哋再冇其他嘅資料咧，話到俾我哋聽究竟 A 咧係實際要係咩數嚟嘅？咁佢而家咧亦都係叫你 suggest a pair of possible values of A and B。咁佢叫你建議一 pair 嘅 A、B 嘅數值咁樣嘅啫。咁 A 可以係啲咩咧？只要大過1.5嘅數就已經得㗎啦。OK， 你大過2又得，3又得，10又得，100都得。OK， 因為呢個咧我哋冇 scale 㗎係嘛？即係呢個圖裏邊咧冇 scale 嘅，冇話你唔好覺得呢個 A 好似好少啊，係咪大過1.5少少嘅咧咁樣？其實呢個可能1000都唔定嘅，係咪？因為冇 scale 㗎嘛。都係 make sense 嘅，就算你話 A 係1000咧，都係 make sense 嘅。只要符合到呢一個 A 大過1.5，就已經係 make sense 啦。OK， 咁所以你話 A 係幾多？只要大過1.5就得㗎。譬如 A 係就話1000啦。OK，A is 1000。If A is 1000, then B is not a random number. Okay, you cannot just assign another number to B because A and B have a relationship. That B is equal to the reciprocal of A. Okay, so if A is chosen to be 1000, then B must be equal to 1 over 1000. Okay, so B is equal to 1 over 1000. Okay, can you get the idea here? 因為你可以係1000又得，10000又得，冇所謂嘅，大過1.5就得㗎啦。Can you get this? 好，就係咁樣樣。我哋就要利用個 graph 嘅一啲嘅資訊 ，OK，graph 上面一啲資訊，去令我哋可以諗到一啲，或者去判斷到一啲嘅數值咁樣樣。OK， 好啦，下一題咯，你已經搞掂㗎啦呢度，得唔得 ？Next， this one is 呢度係邊度嚟嘅咧？我唔記得咗添，死啦！有冇人幫我揾到啊？第7課嘅。Level 2 7 point 15，咦唔係喎，冇嘢㗎，呢個第一題喎應該。 instant 係 instant true corner 先應該係啦，冇錯。跟住之後先至係7 boy 嘅。咁我睇多一題啦，睇多個 instant true corner 啦。第幾頁啊？先。Instant true corner 7.4 yes. Instant true corner 7.4 on page 7.24. Page 24.好，睇唔睇到？好啦，我哋睇睇咯。The four curves in the figure shows the graphs of the exponential functions y equals 2.5 to the power x and so on. Write down the corresponding exponential functions of the curves C1, C2, C3 and C4. 好啦，的而且確真係有公開試嘅題目啦，係咁樣出過嘅噃。OK， 就係咁簡單嘅 MC 嚟嘅，當然 MC 嚟嘅。OK， 我點樣去將呢4個 function 擺翻落去正確嘅，即係 match 翻落去正確嘅 curve 嗰度咧？第一樣嘢好明顯嘅咧就係咧，如果佢係咁樣going upwards 嘅 increasing 嘅，個 base number should be larger than 1. Okay, among the 4 functions, only the first one and the fourth one have a base number larger than 1. Okay, so this 2.5 power x and 4 to power x will be the function of C3 and C4. Can you get this? Okay, and then 0.25 and 205 will be C1 and C2. 好啦，跟住咧，我哋點樣去判斷究竟 C3、C4 邊個係2.5嘅 x， 邊個係4嘅 x 咧？又係好似頭先咁樣，又係呢樣。我哋 put 個 x 等於1落去。OK， 嗱，當然啦，如果你記嘅話咧，如果係硬記嘅，高啲嗰個就係大啲 base 嗰個，就係咁啫，就好簡單。咁你可以一嘢就諗到咧 ，C3 就係4嘅 x 次方 ，OK，C4 就係2.5嘅 x 次方。get 到我硬記啊！嗱，如果係正常呢一隻嘅話咧，即係 going upwards 嘅話咧，大啲嘅 base 就會係個升幅勁啲嘅。你 get 唔 get？ 其實你 get 唔 get 到我講個升幅勁啲呢一樣嘢啊 ？OK， 升幅勁啲係咪即係綠色呢條 curve 咧係越嚟越斜嘅，斜得勁啲嘅 ？OK， 得唔得？好啦，跟住咧睇先，如果係係 A 細嗰一隻嘅話咧 ，A 細嗰呢隻，咁呢個係0.25啦，呢個係0.4嚟嘅，係嘛？呢個係0.4嚟嘅。咁我哋知道咧，應該係如果越大嘅話咧，越大嘅話咧就係越跌得越急嘅，跌得越急。個 base 越大，一係就升得越急。OK， 如果跌嘅話咧，就係跌得越急。嗱，我想問你，你分唔分到 C1 同埋 C2， 即係就咁睇呢個 curve 嘅啫，形狀嘅啫。邊一條 curve 係我所謂嘅跌得急啲咧？跌得急啲 ，C1 同埋 C2， 係咪都係 C2 係跌得急啲 ？get 到呢一個 concept 有冇講 get 到 ？OK 嗱，如果你 get 到我中文講呢個 concept。你 get 到嘅話咧，你就用中文記咗佢呢一個 ，OK， 我覺得咁樣記會好啲嘅，得唔得 ？OK， 呢度個 base 越大，個 curve 如果係升嘅話咧，就係升得越急；如果係跌嘅話咧，就係跌得越急咁樣。OK， 得唔得？但係如果你呢樣嘢唔係好肯定嘅話咧，你就好似我頭先咁樣啦 ，put 個 x 等於1入去，去到度一度睇下邊粒高啲咁樣。譬如呢度啊，我哋 put 個 x 等於1嘅話咧 ，sorry。put 個 x 等於1落去呢一度啦 ，OK， 然之後篤上去個 graph 嗰度，篤上去，我都係用翻2種唔同顏色啦，一種係紅色，一種藍色咁樣啦。跟住咧，我篤到個 graph 之後咧，就向左篤過去 y axis 嗰度， 好啦，嗱，跟住咧，我哋去翻嗰兩個 graph 啦。頭先咧係咪2.5嘅 x 方同埋4x 方啦 ？When x 等於1嘅時候，when x 等於1嘅時候，呢一個 function 就會出到y 等於2.5嘅高度。呢一個 function 就會出到 y 等於4呢個高度。一個係2.5，一個係4嘅高度啊。咁2.5當然係矮呢個啦，4就係高呢個啦。咁而家呢度咧，當 x 等於1嘅話咧，我哋篤到呢兩點。咁邊點係2.5，邊點係4咧？就好明顯啦，係嘛？應該呢一個咧就係2.5，低呢個係2.5，高呢個就係4啦。OK， 我寫低呢度先啦。呢一個咧，當 x 係1嘅時候，呢一個咧就應該係2.5，呢個咧就係4嚟嘅。OK， 因為2.5係低過4㗎嘛。咁但係呢個2.5咧係嚟自呢個 curve 嘅咧，嚟自呢個 curve 咧，即係嚟自黃色呢個 C4 呢個 curve 嚟嘅。OK， 咁所以咧佢應該係嚟自呢一個 function 嘅2.5 to the power x 呢個 function 嘅。OK， 咁所以咧 C4 function of C4 咧就應該係 y 等於2.5 to the power x C4。OK， 咁嗰個4咧係嚟自 C3 嘅係嘛？而 C3 或者4呢個數字咧就係嚟自4嘅 x 方呢個 function 嘅。咁所以我哋就 match 到咧 C3 佢嘅 function 咧應該就係 y 等於4嘅 x 方呢個 function 啦。好，呢個 OK 得唔得？好啦，同樣地，呢度咧。如果我 put 個 x 等於1嘅話咧，我哋係咪出到呢兩點啊？呢兩點 ，OK， 即係紫色同埋粉紅色兩點啊 ，OK， 粉紅色係高過紫色嘅，咁而家呢度咧，我哋當 x 等於1嘅時候咧 ，put 翻落去呢兩個0.25同埋0.4嘅時候咧，呢個係0.25嗰個咧係高過0.4嗰個咧係高過0.25嗰個嚟㗎，係嘛 ？OK， 得唔得？咁所以呢度咧。應該睇先，按呢個綠色先。呢一個啦，同埋呢一個啦，呢兩個啦。咁一個咧就應該係0.25，低啲嗰個就係0.25，高啲嗰個咧就係0.4，即係2/5嚟嘅。呢度 OK， 好啦，咁跟住低啲嗰個0.25嗰個咧，當然就係嚟自0.25嘅 x 方啦。咁即係咧係 C2 嗰個嚟㗎啦，係嘛？即係咧 y 等於0.25嘅 x 方，就係 C2 嗰個嚟嘅。OK， 跟住0.4嗰個咧就係嚟自粉紅色嗰個嚟嘅。OK， 咁就應該係你 y 等於2/5嘅 x 方咁樣。咁就係 C1 嚟㗎啦。好，得唔得呢度 ？OK。sorry， 我先係咪講？我應該講錯呢樣嘢。對唔住啊，我更正翻先。我先咪話咧個數字越大嘅話咧，就跌得越急係嘛 ？OK， 我更正翻啊，唔係因為咁諗，OK， 唔係純粹大嘅問題 ，OK 嗱，因為咁講個數字越離個1啊離得遠嘅話咧，就會跌得越急。你記唔記得我講咩 ？OK， 距離個1，即係個 base number 啊，距離個1越遠嘅話咧，就會跌得越急。總之1呢個位咧，如果個 base 係1嘅話咧，就係打平嘅。OK， 一啲都冇升冇跌嘅。如果個 base number 係1嘅話咧，就係冇升冇跌嘅。跟住如果嗱，因為咧我而家有兩個 case 嘛，可以係大過1嘅 case 同埋細過1嘅 case 嘛，係嘛 ？OK， 咁如果個數字咧，嗱根據我頭先嘅講法啊，距離個1越遠嘅話咧，如果係大過1個 case 嘅話咧，就會越大啦，咁就係越急啦。頭先呢個係啱嘅，得唔得？頭先係啱嘅。 咁但係咧細過一個 case 嘅時候咧，細過一個 case， 如果佢距離個1越遠嘅話咧，就會跌得越急。譬如呢度嚟講，啦，一個係0.4，一個係0.25，邊個距離個1遠啲咧？係咪應該係0.25啊？即係同個1同1呢個數字相差得大啲嘅話咧，係咪應該係0.25啊？0.25呢個紫色呢個 curve 咧，紫色呢一個咧就係跌得急啲啦。OK， 係咪 get 唔到？你個樣好衰啊！你個樣係 get 唔到。咁我想問下，如果我想塞個1落去呢一度咧，跟住攞啲數字出嚟，呢一個方法 get 唔 get 到？呢個反而 get 到 ，OK？ 有冇同學都係 get 唔到嘅？有冇同學兩個方法都 get 唔到嘅？嗱呢一個咧，我就唔使記任何嘢嘅，即係純粹咧每一次我塞個1入去，懟咗1入去，然之後計啲數字出嚟啦，跟住睇下啲數字邊個高啲，然之後睇睇個 graph 邊一個高啲，個論點邊個高啲，然之後就可以 match 到高啲數字嗰個就係嚟自高啲嗰個 graph 嗰個咁樣 ，OK？ 呢一個我覺得咧係 mathematical 一啲嘅呢個諗法 ，OK 計出嚟呢個諗法得唔得 ？OK 咁但係頭先嗰個咧咩距離1越遠就會升得越急，或者跌得越急一樣嘢咧，咁就 theoretical 多少少嘅 ，OK 咁啊我做咗幾題啊，做咗幾題睇下得唔得啦，好唔好？做咗幾題，因為有時有啲 concept 上邊嘅嘢咧，未必可以即刻可以睇到嘅。Part B 好簡單 ，Write down the coordinates of the point where the 4 curves intersect. The 4 curves intersect at only one point. That is this point. 呢一點就係嗰4個 curve 相交點嚟嘅係嘛？咁咧一定咧就係0、1呢一點嚟嘅。OK， 0、1啊。咁呢個冇咩好計嘅啫，呢度。OK， 得唔得？有幾多同學係兩個方法都唔明嘅？可唔可以俾我講講？有幾多？兩個方法都得嘅。唔好咁舉手。思考下先。OK， 翻去思考下先。咁我聽日再講啦。OK 呢度。OK stand up。